Citizens International organizer Amos Chibaya has reaffirmed Nelson Chamisa's unwavering commitment to the democratic struggle in Zimbabwe, insisting that the former CCC leader remains deeply involved in the fight for change, despite his departure from the opposition party he founded. Sanabena mashoko arikuda panguva ino achisanangura achinzi President Chamisa will never abandon citizens' struggle. Chibaya assures the nation. Subscribe or like out on the bell. Speaking at the funeral of Masvingo Urban Ward 7 Councillor Tafara Masimba in Zaka on Tuesday, Chibaya delivered a fiery address that condemned political violence, rejected the weaponization of party affiliation, and honored the memory of a dedicated public servant. In quotes, President Chamisa will never abandon the citizens' struggle, declared Chibaya. He is the citizens' leader. He is the citizens' president. The citizens are our structures. Chibaya stressed that Chamisa's resignation from the Citizen Coalition for Change should not be construed as an exit from the political arena. President Nelson Chamisa is actively involved in politics. He only quit TSHABANGU. The fight continues, he said. Taking direct aim at the ruling ZANU-PF party, Chibaya dismissed the notion that party allegiance offers real solutions to the nation's deepening economic crisis. In quotes, you can't use a ZANU-PF card to buy groceries. You can't use a ZANU-PF card to pay school fees, he said to applause from mourners. Chibaya also used the platform to denounce rising levels of hate speech and violence in Zimbabwe's political landscape. The problem in Zimbabwe is hate language. We say no to political violence. We must unite as citizens and speak with one voice, he urged. Paying tribute to the late Councillor, Chibaya hailed Masimba as a steadfast advocate for the people. Councillor Tafara Masimba was a veteran of the people's struggle. We will continue to fight for change. That was Councillor Masimba's family, he said. In a political environment increasingly defined by repression, fragmentation, and fear, Chibaya's message was clear. The struggle is not over. Chamisa remains at the heart of it. Tomashwaruguda panguva inwe achioneka kunzi aiwa Nelson Chamisa haana kupera achiriva umo the political arena. Nango masection medu dzamafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chito on the bell icon.